Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Claude by Anthropic app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Claude by Anthropic is an advanced AI chatbot designed to help users write, learn, and solve problems intelligently. Created by Anthropic, Claude focuses on being helpful, honest, and harmless, offering a safe and reliable conversational AI experience. It can assist with writing essays, summarizing long texts, brainstorming ideas, answering research questions, and even coding. The app is available on both web and mobile platforms, providing fast, accurate, and natural responses. The app's main feature is its conversational depth and contextual understanding. Claude can maintain long, detailed conversations, remember context across messages, and generate creative or analytical outputs with clarity. It supports document uploads for summarization, making it a valuable tool for professionals, students, and researchers who deal with large amounts of text. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Claude for its thoughtful responses, accuracy, and ease of use. It's especially praised for being more ethically aligned and privacy-conscious compared to other AI tools. Users find it helpful for business writing, education, and creative projects. However, there are some drawbacks. The free version has limitations on message length and usage, while the Pro plan is required for access to the latest Claude 3 models, which offer enhanced speed and reasoning. It also requires a stable internet connection, and some users may find the interface simpler than competitors like ChatGPT or Gemini. In summary, the Claude by Anthropic app may be worth using if you want a thoughtful, safe, and highly capable AI assistant for writing, learning, and analysis. However, if you prefer advanced customization or unlimited usage, you might need to consider the paid version for the full experience. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.